Welcome back to Pooch's Hair Studio. Let's do a quick cold reading today. You lean in to kiss your senior dog, but you instinctively pull away. The smell is absolutely overwhelming. Then the guilt instantly washes over you. You tell yourself it is just old age. You think it is an unavoidable part of time. But what if I told you that odor isn't aging? It is a massive active bacterial infection. And your dog is suffering in absolute silence. Recently, a 12-year-old client sat right here. This dog was losing weight rapidly. Any touch near the face resulted in a growl. The owner thought it was severe dementia. They thought the dog was just getting mean. But as a groomer of 20 years, I knew exactly what to look for. It was not a behavioral issue at all. It was agonizing, throbbing physical pain. Their mouth was a literal ticking time bomb. To understand this, we must look at biology. You see, human saliva has a specific enzyme. It is a powerful enzyme called amylase. It breaks down carbs the moment we chew. But dogs evolved entirely differently. Canine saliva contains zero amylase, none at all. So what happens when they eat their kibble? Those carbohydrates just sit there. They remain perfectly intact inside the mouth. Because dogs lack this crucial enzyme, their mouths become a literal buffet. Those lingering carbohydrate clusters? They are massive feeding grounds for bacteria. The oral environment accelerates plaque growth. It happens much faster than in a human mouth. Within just a few hours after eating, an invisible film coats their teeth entirely. If left alone, it hardens like concrete. This is where the real nightmare begins. We call this hardened substance tartar, or clinically, it is known as dental calculus. It binds tightly against the delicate enamel. But it does not just damage the tooth itself. It sits directly against the gingival tissue. This gum tissue is highly vascularized. It is absolutely packed with blood vessels. The tartar acts as an impenetrable fortress. It protects aggressive bacterial colonies, and they are actively looking for a way inside. But here is the most critical mistake. You think bad breath is just a local issue. You buy a minty spray and think it is fixed. Masking the odor does absolutely nothing. Those bacteria are not staying in the mouth. Because the gums are inflamed and bleeding, the bacteria effortlessly cross the barrier. They enter your dog's bloodstream directly. This is no longer a cosmetic grooming issue. It is a full-blown systemic invasion. Once in the bloodstream, they travel fast. The blood acts like a rapid transit highway. And where do these pathogens love to settle? Right on the delicate valves of the heart. This dangerous migration is a medical fact. Canine periodontal disease is directly linked to severe cardiovascular failure. That bad breath you have been ignoring, it is slowly attacking your dog's heart. It is literally shortening their lifespan. So how do we fix this devastating cycle? First, we need a complete mind skill shift. Stop viewing dental care as an annoying chore. It is an act of systemic health preservation. For that 12-year-old dog I mentioned earlier, after professional tartar removal and care, the transformation was an absolute miracle. The facial aggression completely vanished. The appetite returned almost immediately. The dog was finally freed from the pain. You need scientifically proven interventions. Because they lack amylase, you must step in. Use enzymatic powders daily in their meals. Utilize high-quality water additives like Play-Go. These gently break down plaque naturally. No anesthesia is required for daily prevention. Even for young puppies, you must start now. Do not wait for the tartar to heavily calcify. Be the architect of your dog's longevity. Intercept the problem before it ever starts. Your dog cannot tell you they are hurting. They can only show you through their behavior. Look past the odor and see the true biology. Protect their mouth, and you protect their heart. For more expert grooming protocols, and to understand your dog on a deeper level, visit Poocheshairstudio.com and Poochestips.com. I am here to help you truly heal them. I will see you in the next session.